In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow using AI in N8N. If you want a faster and more guided way to build automations, using the AI Workflow Builder in N8N can be a great place to start. Instead of building everything manually from scratch, you can describe what you want in plain language and let the platform help generate the structure for you. This is especially useful if you're new to N8N or if you want to turn an idea into a working draft quickly. To begin, look near the top of the screen and click on the plus sign. This is where you can start creating something new inside your workspace. Once that opens, click on New Workflow. That will take you into a fresh workflow canvas where you can begin setting up your automation. From there, choose the option that says Build with AI. This opens the AI-assisted workflow creation experience, which is designed to help you describe your goal in simple language. Instead of manually searching for every node and connection right away, you can let AI guide the first part of the setup. Now, type in your prompt. Be clear about what you want the workflow to do. For example, you should describe the task, the trigger, and the outcome you want. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful the generated workflow will usually be. Try to keep your instructions simple and direct so the AI can understand the intent clearly. After you enter your prompt, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. N8N may ask you for additional details, clarification, or confirmation before it builds the workflow. This part is important because the AI is using your responses to shape the automation. Take a moment to read each prompt so you can give accurate input and avoid unnecessary corrections later. As the workflow is generated, pay attention to what appears on the canvas. Even though AI helps speed things up, it's still a good idea to review the result so you understand how the workflow is being structured. Think of this process as creating a strong first draft that you can continue refining as needed. That's how to create a workflow using AI in N8N. It's a simple process that starts with a new workflow, uses the Build with AI option, and relies on clear prompts plus the on-screen guidance to get everything moving. Once you get comfortable with it, this can save you a lot of time when planning and building automations.